consider I have two columns of data sheet on which I have 10 number of rows. We need to repeat each and every rows of data 30 times. The first thing, we need to create a series from 1 to 30 10 times. I will click on D2. Simply click on formula bar. We need to apply sequence function. Open parenthesis how many rows you want. In this case, I want to repeat every block 30 times, and I will multiply this with the number of rows of data I have. Hit comma, skip the column parameter, and for the starting value I will type 0, close parenthesis, hit enter, and now you can see from 0 to 299 we get a series. The next thing, I will click on D2 again. After equal sign, we need to apply mod function. Open parenthesis. What is the number? This whole sequence function result is my number. And what is the divisor? Hit comma. In this case, my divisor is 30. Close parenthesis, hit enter. And now you can see from 0 to 29, then again 0 to 29. The only thing is we need to add a 1 with this formula. Simply hit enter, and this is how we generate a series from 1 to 30 10 times. The next thing, we need to repeat the CPI column values 30 times, but in this case I will repeat 25 times and 5 will be the 0. I'm going to click on E2, click on formula bar, simply type repeat function, open parenthesis. What is the text? In this case my text is 0, %, quotation mark, pipe symbol, %, again, hit comma. And how many times you want to repeat? I want to repeat 5 times, close parenthesis, hit enter, and now you can see we get a 50 along with the delimiter. I will type %, again. We need to type repeat function again, open parenthesis. What is the text? In this case I will select all of column B data sheet, %, quotation mark, pipe symbol, quotation mark, again, close, hit comma. How many times you want to repeat? 25 times, close parenthesis, hit enter, and this is how we repeat every rows of data 30 times. The next thing, I will click on E2, simply type text join function. What is the delimiter? I'm going to skip this one, hit comma. For the ignore parameter, I'm going to skip this one as well. And for the text one, this whole repeat function is my text one. Simply close parenthesis, hit enter, and this is how we convert all of the data into a single cell. Again click on E2 and simply type text split function. Open parenthesis. What is the text? This whole text join function result is my text. Hit comma on the very end. Skip the column delimiter, and for the row delimiter I'm going to type pipe symbol, close parenthesis, hit enter, and this is how we split all of the data sheet into a 30 block. Now we need to select the entire column E data sheet. Simply type Ctrl Shift down arrow key to select the data, Ctrl backspace key, and now click on insert, recommended chart, all chart, radar chart. In this case I will select the fill radar chart and simply hit OK. The only thing, we need to apply the data label on this chart. So the first thing, we need to calculate the percentage, and based on percentage we need to create our customized data label. I will insert 2 columns on the left side. Now I will click on H2 cell. Click on formula bar. We need to repeat each and every data label 30 times. I will type repeat function again. Open parenthesis. What is the text? In this case I will select all of the data labels. %, quotation mark, pipe symbol, %, again, hit comma. How many times you want to repeat? 30 times, close parenthesis, hit enter. The next thing, again I will click on H2, simply type text join function. Open parenthesis. What is the delimiter? I'm going to skip the delimiter, and also I will skip the ignore empty parameter and simply close parenthesis on the very end, hit enter. The next thing, I will type a text split function. open parenthesis, what is the text? This whole formula result is my text. Hit comma, skip the column delimiter, and for the row delimiter, quotation mark, pipe symbol, quotation mark again, close parenthesis, hit enter, and this is how we repeat each and every data label 30 times. Now we need to apply if condition to display these data label on every 15 position. I will click on H2 cell again. After equal sign, simply type if condition, open parenthesis, click on F2, type hash symbol. If this value is equal to 15, hit comma, then I want to display the text split function result, hit comma on the very end. Otherwise, I want to display a null result, close parenthesis, hit enter, and this is how we display our data label on every 15 position. Click on the chart, click plus button, apply the data labels, more data label options, value from cell, click on H2, Control Shift down arrow key, Control backspace key, hit OK, and now simply uncheck value and show leader line, close the format data label window, and if I scroll to the right side, this is how we nicely display our data label. Hit Ctrl B to make it bold, choose the dark black color, and the next thing, if I select my chart, click on format, for the shape fill here you can see a gradient fill, simply apply any gradient fill you like. And the last thing, we need to display a circle.